Hi everyone. Food safety is a scientific discipline describing handling, preparation, and storage of food by methods that effectively prevent foodborne illnesses caused by microbial pathogens, chemical additives, and environmental contaminants. Safe food signifies that none should get sick or injured from food that is served or sold or even donated. Since food serves as an awesome growth medium for bacteria, manifesting in a huge population of the same in the foodstuff, that may result in food poisoning. To avoid the distress of food poisoning, we have brought for you some important precautions for your clear understanding and abiding. Food poisoning occurs when germs or their products on the exterior and interior of food get eaten up inadvertently by the consumer. Also, the wiping cloth in the pantry can be a source of contamination and should be hence ultra clean at all times. Next, food contamination may occur at any time during the storage, preparation, or cooking process. It may be present in the raw material itself and may enter the food after processing as well. Next, make sure the groceries you procure are promptly placed in a cool and dry place or in the fridge as appropriate. The next is a powerful strategy to maintain the cold food consistently cold, which means at less than 5 degrees centigrade, and hot food consistently hot, which means over 60 degrees centigrade throughout till it is consumed. This guarantees prevention of spoilage simply because it doesn't allow microbes present in the foodstuff to multiply. Next, when frozen foods are required to be thawed for consumption, always choose to transfer them from the freezer to either fridge for slow thawing or to the heating pan or microwave for quick thawing, rather than choosing to thaw them at room temperature. Also, after heating, there should be no delay in consumption. These rules, if abided, do not give any opportunity to microbes to multiply to a dangerous level, and hence the food remains safe. Next, always remember bacteria can easily be transferred between humans and food and between various foodstuffs mutually. Raw meat, unwashed veggies and fruits, cut salad and curd are some of the common carriers of germs. Preparation of foods should be done keeping these points in mind. Washing hands and raw materials, using aprons, masks, gloves and head covers wherever applicable is a great practice. Use warm soapy water to wash hands, utensils, bench tops and tables. Then be careful to wash away all the soap with clean and pure water. The dishes, etc. should be also very clean. Next point, rinse fruits and vegetables under cold running water. You may then dip these in water containing a little common salt or baking soda or synthetic vinegar or potassium permanganate for some time, after which they may be rinsed and consumed for enhanced safety. Next, when cooked food is to be stored or preserved, transfer them as quickly as possible into the fridge or cold storage, providing no chance for microbes to multiply therein. And the last, if leftovers are to be consumed at the next meal time, they should be thoroughly heated to piping hot prior to consumption. Guys, we welcome you to comment in the comment box. Which one of these tips did you find most important and useful? And also, we, Brahmjeet and Archana, take this opportunity to thank you for watching and heartily appreciating our videos always. It really means a lot to our entire team. Stay learning. It's bye till next time.